Racers, start your engines.
All right, y'all. Look, wanted to come on here real quick. Go ahead and unbox these Ferrari 14s. Look, we've been out of the country since, what, June 2nd? As I'm recording this is June 25th. We've been traveling all the way on the other side of the world, in Japan, in Vietnam. Whole other vlogs that I'm gonna be working on since we just not getting back and I got the time for it now. So definitely make sure, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for this channel and for the Getaway with the Gross channel, because I'm gonna be editing these vlogs for Japan and Vietnam, and I need y'all tuned in, so whenever it drop, you'll be one of the first people to see it. All right, but let's go ahead and unbox it. We got these straight in from Nike. Now let me tell you about them while I'm unboxing this. Now, when these released, you know, normally we get the in-store pickups. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure I ended up getting exclusive access. So I could have picked these up in store, but it was out of the country. So my only option to get this was from sneakers. But man, as you can see from the tag, says Challenge Red Black, size 11.5. And I remember when these came out back in 2014 when these last came out? No, it was 2015. I don't think I was buying Jordans back then, nor do I think I could have afforded them anyways. But this was one of those 14s. And if you've seen a lot of the videos on the channel, you know I'm a big fan of 14s. 14s is one of my favorite silhouettes of retros. So I'm excited to get these in hand. I know they're double wrapped, so I'm not gonna spend too much time. You guys have probably already seen them already. Please excuse the mess, like I said. We still in the process of getting unpacked and everything cleaned up in the house. Bam, the Ferrari 14s, these look so good on camera. Oh man, these look really good on camera. They look pretty decent in person too. Oh man, let me grab this other shoe real quick. Only thing I hate about this is, like, when I want to wrap it back up to have it back in the package like it was, it's very hard to do that. But here's the other shoe, and let's talk about it. All right, now these have been out for a while. I know I'm late to the party. Look, I've been gone, but we here now. Ferrari 14s, as you can tell, all red suede upper. Now the suede is not like a buttery smooth or anything like that. The Jordan 14 in general was supposed to be like a representation of Jordan's Ferrari back in the day. So this was like, it's like basically a Ferrari in a shoe version back in the day. So that is where the 14th comes from. And this is the Ferrari correlate, as you can see. So all red on the upper, yellow hits where the Jordan on the front, XIV on the back for 14, Jordan 23 on the back. And on the inside, it does say that it does have a tag that says, due to the suede characteristic, please be aware that there's a potential color contamination to the upper and bottom units. So keep that in mind if you are purchasing these for resale, if you're still looking for them on the market. I know some people have been able to catch them on restocks. They release pretty much everywhere. But one thing I did want to talk about with this shoe is so many influencers, so many sneaker resellers, so many sneaker YouTubers have been out there telling y'all that these was limited. And then when they actually came out, there were so many pairs. So I feel like as a sneaker community, we gotta look out for that stuff, because I feel like they trying to, you know, lie to us a little bit to get a little bit of engagement and basically shop with all of these resellers. But a lot of these places have been getting these shoes early. If there's a lot of people that's been getting them early, that means there's a lot of pairs, just for future reference. But these came out along with the Grape 5s while I was out the country. But for this pair, I feel like the favorite part for this, for me, the carbon fiber, it's like kind of like a tail light, like on the back of the shoe. But the carbon fiber on the side is sick. I'm not gonna lie. That's probably my favorite part of this shoe, if I'm gonna be 100% honest. Outside of these coming out, the Grape 5s did come out. I remember I wanted the Grape 5s for a very long time, but I feel like they took too long to restock them. Like, I wanted them, like, I want to say like 5 years ago. Like in 2020, if they would have dropped, they would have had me. I ain't gonna lie. But 2025, I'm like, they cool, but I didn't feel like I needed to get them. So don't have the Grape 5s. We do have some other heat coming out too. We have some more 4s that's coming out. I don't know, I forgot, it was like stone. It's like some type of stone colorway or something like that. That's coming out soon. But y'all get in the comment section Ferrari 14s. Did you end up hitting on these on the sneakers app? Did you hit this on JD Finish Line? Y'all let me know in the comment section. Resale on these is not too bad. What they retail, like 210 plus tax, or like 205, 210 plus tax. I think they going for, at least for my size. My size is always the money size. They going for like 300 or something like that right now. Not too bad if you wanted to pick these up resale, if you still want these. Personally, I don't know, man. When they first came out, I was very excited. I was hyped when I hit on these, but I'm like just thinking realistically, like I really don't know what I'm gonna wear with this. I love 14s, but I don't know if I'd end up keeping these, but we're gonna have to see. I'll keep them in the closet for a little bit because they are newer. I'm in the process of getting rid of a lot of older shoes. Like if I've had them in 2020 and I ain't never wore them, they getting sold. So that's kind of where I'm at this point. So y'all let me know in the comment section. Did y'all pick these up? What's your hit list that you're trying to get sneaker wise in the future? Also on top of that, like I said, we just came back from Japan and Thailand. I'm trying to get this video out ASAP. I already transferred off the footage off all my SD cards. Now all I gotta do is just edit the video. All right, so if y'all wanna see that, make sure subscribe. Links is all gonna be in the description for the Get Away with the Grows channel. So definitely tune into that. But I mean, outside of that, it's your boy Moody, man. I just wanted to check in with y'all real quick, man. I've been gone for a little bit. Feel me? Ferrari 14s, man. Got them in a collection now. Very appreciative. Nice, decent colorway for the 14s. That's pretty much it. I'm checking out, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, all right? Peace.